everyone. So today what I would be doing, this is the second part. So today my friend Tanay would be coming and helping me with the impulse carburetor issue that you must have seen in my previous video. So I just need to clean the carb and then see if it is working fine or not. So I'll be sharing that video. Bye bye. So today what I would be doing is I would testing my impulse as I had cleaned the carburetor. So Tanay had helped me. So let me test it in my area and see if it is performing or not. Still facing that issue. I'm not sure what is the problem. If someone knows about it, please do comment and let me know. So if you see, when I pull the actuator, it would not give the power as soon as I pull it. So there is a lag in power. I'm not sure. I have cleaned the carburetor and also changed the air filter. Not sure why is this problem coming. Earlier it was not there. So there is a lag. I'm not sure if the fuel flow or the any other settings needs to be changed.